Hi again, Ralph here, NoizeBusters. Today I show you one program which is really helpful for you guys if you want to deep dive in into how synthesis works. There's a program called Syntorial, and it helped a lot of customers of mine to really learn how a synthesizer functions and what kind of stuff you can do with that machines. So let's dive in and I show you how it looks. So what you see here is when you open the program, you have a table of contents where you can go through your basic, and then it goes deeply into what's an oscillator, what's a filter, how envelopes works, and then in between you have questions they ask you, so you can see how you progress all that information you got. And there are plenty of videos here. And there's also a section where you can remake iconic synth sounds. So if you learn a bit about the synthesizer, and after a while you can launch this and then can find out how this kind of bass is made or this kind of specific synth from a song is made. It's a really cool feature. And also what I like, if you go into that list, you have here download lesson packs. So you can download lessons for specific synthesizers like Xfer Record Serum and Massive, Silent, and Minimoog Voyager, or the Cakewalk C3 TA. And there will be coming more. What I know, there is one coming for pigments. I think it's a really cool tool to learn how synthesizer really works, and they give you the whole overview how the structure of a synthesizer is built. So if you really want to dive into this, check it out. It's really amazing. There's an affiliate link in the description of the video. If you go over this, you also support my channel and I can continue what I'm doing and what I love to do. So check it out and enjoy your day.